All right, another big topic when you're dealing with loan officers is you're looking for their expertise and knowledge. How are they in the market? What do they bring to the table in terms of experience base? Do they have a full grasp on what you're trying to achieve from your financial capabilities side? And one of the things that you want to look at right from the very top is their in-depth market knowledge and what can they, bring to you in terms of product changes. And when we say products, we're talking about loans. So loan types change all the time, whether it's an ARM or it's a primary home or it's a 40-year mortgage or it's a new construction loan. There are different product types that lenders bring to the market every week. And they're trying to keep up with, the highs and lows with interest rates, and they're trying to make their products most attractive to you, the consumer, right? So you're the home buyer, you're the borrower, and you want to make sure they have that in-depth product knowledge. So another thing when talking with your loan officer is you want to feel comfortable that they're an expert in loan types. And what do I mean by loan types? So let's say you're looking for a primary house. What are all the different loan types that are available to you from the marketplace that, can fit that need? Or let's say you're doing an investment property and you're also self-employed, right? So then you're looking at, can I use a bank statement? Is it personal? Is it my professional bank statement? My business bank statement? Is it another type of loan, which is just based off of the rentals, right? What they call a debt service coverage ratio. So there's lots of loan types based on what you need, and you want to feel comfortable with that loan officer that they're meeting your needs in terms of they have expertise in all the different loan types based on what you're trying to do. Another one is regulatory and legal expertise. When you're at that coffee shop meeting or you're in their office or you're meeting at your house and you're really looking for that kind of comfort level that the loan officer that you're working with has done all the continuing education and has all their licensing up to date, because the mortgage industry and the real estate industry is highly regulated. So you want to feel that your best interests are covered and that the person that you're working with is up to date on all their regulatory needs. Another one working with a loan officer is negotiation skills. And this is key. This is really key for you. So what you want to feel is, when I work with that loan officer, I'm feeling like this person has my best interest at heart, right? So they're representing you in the best light. They're not looking for the easiest one. However, the easiest one may be the best one, but they're also negotiating with lenders in terms of rates, in terms of terms, in terms of down payment, in terms of closing dates. They're working on all sides, working with the realtors to make sure that you feel like you're covered and that this loan officer has negotiation skills that you feel comfortable with that will keep you and your family working towards the property that they want. Okay, and just to wrap up, and the last point for expertise and knowledge when you're working with a loan officer that you're trying to find is, you want to make sure that if you have a complex financial situation, that this is the person for you. And you may have to go through a few different interviews with different loan officers to get there, because the more complex your financial situation is, whether you're self-employed, you're a doctor, you're an attorney, you're a freelancer, gig employee, anything that you do that is straight out of the normalized W-2 kind of income wage piece, you really need someone who is well versed in that and has the lender portfolio like we talked about, that can get you into the right type of loan for the property that you're trying to buy, whether it's a condo, a townhome, your primary home. All of those things really rely on how complex your financial situation is, and the more complex it is, the more you need a really experienced and well-versed loan officer. So if you don't feel that warm fuzzy from the first one or the second one, you just keep going until you feel like that good connection with a loan officer that can really understand your complexities in your financial situation, and then put you with the right loan that best fits your needs. And those are really the things that you're kind of looking for from an expertise and knowledge base when you're working with loan officers.